Hello guys and welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be teaching you how to use functions. So whoever doesn't know what functions are, they're when you do something, it will complete an action. So if I click on a button, then it will do something. So what we're going to learn how to do is we're going to press a button and then it will pop an alert box. Instead of the second we open the file, it will show an alert box. Only when we press the button, it will show an alert box. So let's start. So what we're going to want to do is open Vim. Okay. Um, Sorry, you can't see it on my monitor, but here, okay. So if you don't have Vim, you can watch the video where I teach how to install it, or you can just use Notepad. But here we go. Just like that, okay, we're going to want to press I, remember? Okay, so let's start just how we start every HTML file, with doc type. Just like that, let's close it. Now let's start our first class, like that, HTML. And now we're not going to use a title or head just because we're not doing it for the design. I'm just showing you what functions are for today. So we're just going to skip to the body. Just like that. Okay. And now what we're going to first want to do is, let's add a paragraph because why not? Press the button. Just like that. P1. Forgot to close that. Remember, to close is very important. And right now that does nothing, so let's make a button. Buttons are a drop different than all the other classes because instead of putting it like this here, we're going to do it like this. We're not going to close it yet. We're going to do onClick is equal to the name of our function, so it's the name of our function, my function. Okay? If you put the capital F, don't forget to put it later. Okay? Sorry. So now we're going to close it. See, it's different than normally. Or we're going to end it normally. I'll show what I mean. Here, let's just do press me. Sorry. Here we go. So let's do press me. And now let's close it. But instead of doing on click all of that, what we do is just close it like a regular button. So right now we have a button, but if we press it, nothing will happen. It's meant to activate my function, but we haven't established what my function is. So we're going to establish what my function is using a script file. We don't need to close body yet. Script. Okay, and now this is how we're going to start a function. You do function, which is the type, instead of an integer or boolean. We can remember what that is in another lesson. Function my function. Oh, forgot something super important. After this my function right over here, for the end of the quotation marks, very important, you're going to need to put parentheses. Do not forget, very important. Okay? Function my function. Just like that, and we're going to also put parentheses. I'm going to open, and now we're going to use squiggly brackets. So it's sort of like a class, but not exactly. Or this is more like a class, and the HTML body is less. So we'll get into exactly what those are in another lesson. But yeah, basically this is the class, or what the function is, basically. So what we're going to want in our function is an alert box, so we're going to make an alert. Alert, quotations. You press the button. Just like this. Okay, and quotations, and close the parentheses. Don't forget your semicolon. And now we're just going to want to close our squiggly brackets. Okay, and now we're going to finish up by closing our script file and our body file. Just like this, like you remember. And last but not least, our HTML file. So let me show you what happens when we activate it in our browser. So what we're going to want to do first is press the escape key, and then colon save, no space, as, let's save it as my function. Okay, dot HTML, don't forget that, very important. And sorry, I already made that file, so I'm going to change it to a drop different name, but you can call it whatever you want. Let's change it to function. Okay, sorry, made a mistake there. Colon save as function dot HTML. You can save it however you want, but it has to have the .html at the end. I'm going to press enter, and as you see, it color coded everything, and now let's see if there's an HTML file. So now what we're going to want to do is close it by just colon Q, and as you see, it closed. And now here comes the complicated part. So it doesn't save. It like saves not into a folder, it just saves into your computer. There is a way to change that, and I'll teach you how to do that in the next lesson. But for now, we're just going to open it. So I'm going to look up function. See, this is it. Remember, if it doesn't look like that, you can do like this. Open. Maximum, you can always go to file location and then do open as, but it's already opening as a Chrome for me. So here we go. And now, there. Sorry, I opened my other monitor. Fine. Here. So we're going to press the button and an alert box. Just like that, and that's what a function is. As you can see, it doesn't look as nice. That is a bug, but it doesn't look like that nice. So next lesson, we will figure out how to make it look nice using CSS, which is designing of websites, basically. Like to make it look nice. And that's the end for this lesson. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.